Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing a floral look. So we're going to be transforming this eye look to a floral look. I'm not redoing all the makeup, we just going to redo the eye, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make two looks out of one look using the same makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to create this floral magic we're about to create, then stay tuned. This will be editorial. This is going to be beautiful, live, fun. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching. Bye. Alright beauties, we're starting off with the makeup removal. I just take my nail to take the rhinestones off. They come right off. And then take my lashes off, get the rest of the rhinestones off, and get my makeup wipe and start wiping off the eyes. When I do wipe off the eyes, I do go under the eye as well. So make sure to wipe underneath the eye also, just because you're probably going to have a little shadow fallout, so you're going to have to repowder it anyway. So I'll just wipe right around the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my primer. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. And then this is the hoctas powder from the crayon case. And I'm using that to reset that primer just right around the eyes. And then we're going to go in with our Too Faced concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer in Cookie. It is so good, you guys. I have to buy some more actually because it's so bomb. And I'm just blending that in. And this concealer is super full coverage, as you can see. It blends out so nicely, and it's going to just re-add to the makeup that we had there as if it was never removed. So this concealer, if you have not tried it, is super bomb, and I highly recommend it because it works wonders. Look at how great that looks. Like, look at how it just meshed in with the makeup that was already there. It is very seamless, and if you pat it down, or if you even let it set, it doesn't dry too fast. That can be an issue sometimes with some concealers. It is literally just like the perfect formula. So I definitely recommend it. And I'm just taking my time and tapping it out to make sure that everything looks nice and seamless. And just using it as a little bit of eye primer as well. Then we're going to redefine the nose with the contour and put a little bit more contour on, because we just need to redo that part because, you know, it got removed a little. So there's just a little bit left on that we did on the cheekbone, and then around the nose, because we have to redo the sides of the nose when we are taking off that makeup. But it is very, very quick. It is so much quicker than having to redo the whole face. And look at that, just like that. Now we're going to set it all with the hoctas powder from the crayon case. Go around that nose, make sure to get that. The sides of my nose are kind of deep, so I always have to make sure to get that. And then I'm just repowdering around with the additional product. Now I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery plantain powder. And then I'm going in with my crayon case contoursition notebook and just re-adding the contour so that we can make sure that we don't lose that. Now we're on to the eyes. So with the eyes, I'm putting on this Winter Rose eye base from P. Louise, and I'm tapping that on. Tap, tap, tap until it is blended out seamlessly. Now we're going to go into the Big Box 64 palette from the crayon case. Has so many colors in it, and they blend out beautifully, as you can see. I went into this plum color, and I am just blending that into my crease. And then I went into a pink color, and I'm just tapping that right on the line right above the crease as a transitional color. And first you want to tap the color on, and then you can start to blend. If you don't tap it and you just start blending, it goes on sheer, and we want the best color payoff. And now I'm going to go in with this yellow color and tap that right above the pink just to add to the gradient. And then I'm going to actually go back into the pink again, just to make sure that everything is seamless. So when you are creating a gradient, you really have to go back and forth between the colors until everything is blended to perfection. So once we got all the colors laid out, we go right back down and go back into the original colors again. So we added the yellow, went back into the pink, then we'll go back into the plum color once again, and then just blend until everything looks seamless. It is already looking so pretty. And now we're tapping in that plum color. And look at how seamless it looks. You see that? So just take your time to do the building when you're doing a transitional look, and it will all pay off. Now I'm using a Q-tip with baby oil on it, and I'm just cutting my crease with that. It helps me to have a crisper cut crease when I cut it out with the baby oil and the Q-tip. So that's why I like to do this. It is not necessary. You can just go right in with the base if you want, but certain looks, if I know that I want it to be cut a certain way, and I want it to be super crisp, I'll cut it out first with the Q-tip and then go in with the base. But this here is the extra spicy base from P. Louise, and this is actually a paint. So that's why it looks so thick. And you can actually leave it like this. You don't have to put any shadow on top of it, or you can put shadow on top of it. It's all your choice. And so right now I'm just patting that out into the shape that I want it to be. Now I'm just blending a little bit of the pink around the sides and just recutting and just making sure that everything is seamless. I want to make sure that both sides are the same. So sometimes I go back and forth to make sure that they are both perfect. And mind you, I do have hooded lids, so it takes me some time to make sure that the crease is high enough and not too high and all of those things. Then, like I said, I'm once again adding a little bit more of the pink right around that edge to give it more of a like feathered out look. And I'm loving how it's looking. Now I'm going in with a P. Louise pigment, and I am adding that to the lid, and it's like a pink pigment with a gold shift. So I'm just adding that right on top of that paint. Now I'm going in with my graffiti liner from Lashing Out Glam, and we're going to add this right around the cut crease, and it's going to serve as a base for where we're going to put the rhinestones. So I wanted it to have more of a yellow effect underneath the rhinestones. If you do see any type of a gap, I just wanted these two colors to be the center. And I think this is beautiful. I could have left it without the yellow, and it would have been a look by itself, or I could have done it with the yellow and it could have been a look by itself even like that. I think that it is absolutely a beautiful look. Either way, if you wanted something softer, but we are going into glam. So I'm adding my lash glue from Duo, and I am going to add rhinestones around this rim, and you're going to see how gorgeous it comes out. It looks so beautiful, and I'm really happy with how it came out. And I used two different stones for this. I used one that had like a yellowish type of reflect, and also one that had like a normal rhinestone reflect. That's so beautiful. And now I am adding my flowers. So this is going to be Editorial, like I told you guys, with the flowers. You add a little bit of lash glue, and I got these flowers from Amazon. They are dehydrated dry flowers, and I'm just adding those to my face. Now I wanted to add a little bit of pink underneath my eye just to give it a pop for the floral look. And I wanted to do that before adding the flowers close to the eye. So I added that. Then I went in with my blush because I'm going to be adding my flowers in that area. So I need to add the blush first. And I added a little bronzer as well. So we just bronzed up. As you can see, we got the warmth back in the face. And just using this sponge without actually putting any additional product. And just cutting that cheekbone and adding some blush And then going back into my Hype Beauty blush, this is called Dreamy, and it has such a beautiful gold reflect with it. I love it. It's like a little highlight, as you can see. It's really subtle, but it's gorgeous. Then I'm adding the rest of my flowers right underneath and by the eye. And on the side. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Now I'm adding my Oma Beauty mascara, and we are getting those lashes nice and elongated. And then I'm going to add some rhinestones underneath the eye. I wanted to add a pink one, a yellow one, and I think a green one. And then we're adding some random rhinestones on the sides of the flowers just to add a little bit more glam. And now we're going to go in with our fruits liner and go across the eye. Then we're going to go ahead and add our lash glue and then add these color lashes I got from Amazon that I thought would go perfect with this look. Now I'm just adding a little highlight just to give it a little bit of sparkle, and then adding a little bit of brow highlight as well. And that is it, you guys. This is our editorial floral look, and I think it is absolutely stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and enjoyed the instruction on how to use a different eyeshadow with the same makeup. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial transforming one look to another look using the same foundation. So you don't have to change everything. If you are going out at night and you had a daytime look, you can just wipe around your eyes, redo your concealer, powder, and then just do your eyes and you will be good. You don't have to redo your whole base. And look at how fire this look is. This is like editorial flowers. Yes, we're here. We're here. We're here. I'm feeling it. This is so cute. I hope you guys are enjoying it the way I am. I think this is so adorable and I'm so here for it. So let me know if you guys are feeling this look in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know. Would you rock it? Are you feeling this editorial vibe? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.